How many of you are reading one book a month? Nonfiction book. One book. Well, I said a month, but really I meant a week. But let's talk about a month. Anybody there reading one nonfiction book, industry related, job related, a month? Miss Lynn answered for everybody. No. She answered for herself, but that's going to be the case. Just a suggestion. Just a suggestion. When I say read them, I'm also saying use audible. You know, because we do learn by sound, and there's something about that book being read that sits in the back of your mind almost that really, if you listen to enough of them, you know, give you a rough idea of how you would end up doing this. If you were working for Prior and traveling on the road for them, they would have you drive between cities. You know, when finish up a workshop at 4 o'clock and have to get in your car and drive to the next city. And sometimes, especially out here out west, it'd be 3 to 4 hours in between drives. You know, finish a workshop and have to drive 3 to 4 hours. You know, sometimes it's drive 15 minutes, like from Dallas to Fort Worth. Although that's not how that worked. It was a 15-minute drive from Dallas to Fort Worth, but traffic was so bad it took 2 hours. No exaggeration. Those type of things. Put in an Audible book, and I was just doing that. Finish up a book. Sometimes I finish up a book and be able to put in the next one. Sometimes it took two rides. Um, but I finished up that book, and I would be saying something or doing something, and kind of wondering where did that come from. Well, because it wasn't in the forefront of my mind, it was kind of in the back. I was synthesizing it. So Audible books work well too. Okay, just some thinking for you. Just a side note for you, maybe more than anything else. Okay. Any other books that you've read that we would recommend? Okay. No other books. Okay. I'm going to suggest that you get in the habit of reading one nonfiction book a month about your industry, about the industry of training and coaching, the industry of leadership. Leadership. It's an art, it's a science. And the truth of the matter is, the more you know, the more money you're going to make. Bottom line. Miss Lynn, you totally had me lost there. Let me read it again. I thought it was French for sure, but still can't figure it out. Okay, I think I have it. Okay. We're going to talk about languages later if we have a chance.